Hello everyone. So let's solve this problem. Calculate the binding energy of an alpha particle given its mass to the that to be 4.00151 U. Okay, so here U is what? Atomic mass unit, AMU. Okay, we have the you can say consideration values for the that U. Okay, so how to find out the binding energy? So binding energy of any particle that is delta M into c square, delta M c square, where that delta M is nothing but the mass defect. Okay, so you can call it as the binding energy. Suppose binding energy is nothing but the mass defect into c square. Now what is that mass defect? Mass defect is nothing but the, if you are going to calculate the total mass of particle, okay, it is different than the mass of nucleons. Okay, so you have to minus the mass of particle from the mass of nucleons, so you will get the mass defect. So let's say mass defect is nothing but the mass of nucleons minus mass of particle, okay, into c square. Say, so now what is the mass of nucleons? Okay. So here we get the which particle? So mass of nucleons, in the nucleus there are two particles, that is the proton and neutron. So mass of nucleus, that will be mass of proton into the number of proton, so that will be denoted as the Z. Okay, you will get the number of proton by using the Z value. Okay, that is the atomic number, plus mass of neutron, okay, and you are going to multiply it by the number of neutrons, minus mass of protons, that is the mass of particles, so that is the mass of particle here given as the 4.00151. which particle is here? Alpha particle. So let me write it as a capital M. So now how many protons and neutrons in the alpha particle? So we know that for alpha particle, okay, just write, for alpha particle it has a 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Okay, so it will be 4. So atomic mass will be 4. It's that represent the atomic mass number, okay, A, and A means proton plus neutron, and it represent the value of Z, that is nothing but the number of protons or electrons. Okay, so you have to just remember it. So how many protons are there? Z, that is the 2. So 2 into, now what is the mass of proton? So mass of proton is nothing but the 1.00728 U, atomic mass in it. Okay, now what is the, how many neutrons are there? Okay, so how many neutrons are there? If it has a atomic mass is 4, it has a proton 2, then how many neutrons will be there? 2. Okay, 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So mass of neutron is 1.00866. okay, so that is the mass of neutron. So it will those values are given in the, you can say, constant data or the given data, minus, now what is the mass of particle? That is the 4.00151 U, okay, into c square. So you have to just do that basic calculations. Okay, so by multiplying that 2 into 1.00728, you will get the value 2.01456, plus then again 2 into 1.00866, okay, you will get the value 2.01732, minus here 4.00151, and I have taken that U common into c square. So if you are going to calculate all these value, 456 minus 4.00151, you will get the as a something about 0.03037. okay, so that much value you will get. Now what is the value of U? U is nothing but the 1 U here. 1 U is nothing but the 931.5 mega electrovolt per c square. Okay, you have to put that value in the that relation. So U is equal to 931.5 MeV per c square into c square. C square will get cancelled here, and that 931.5 will get the value something about 28.289. okay, that is what the you can calculate as the 28.29. okay, so that is the binding energy of that alpha particle. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.